Does your Sprinter van start like this when the weather is below 60 degrees? Third time's the charm. Well, then you probably have a problem with your pre-glow system or your glow plugs. Bill and I created a small homemade test wire, and in this video, we're going to show you how to test your glow plugs and your glow plug module. This is our very primitive test wire with an inline 10 or 15 amp fuse. Now onto the video. We're going to test all 5 of them and the power output from the module, and that'll determine what needs to be replaced on this fan to get it starting like new again. So the first thing we're going to test with our good glow plug is we're going to check for continuity. We're going to rest the glow plug body on the negative battery terminal, and we're going to be touching our positive probe onto the top portion of the glow plug where the positive lead connects. It's hard to see on the meter, but we do indeed have continuity. That first test was to make sure that the glow plug isn't burnt out. Our next test is going to be testing for shorts inside the glow plug. We're going to check our glow plug's temperature before, just so we can compare before and after. Currently, this glow plug is approximately at 83, 84 degrees Fahrenheit. We're now going to hold power on the glow plug for 10 seconds and see if it blows a fuse that we've placed in line in our wire. A good glow plug should get red hot. One end of our test lead is going to be hooked onto the positive terminal of the battery. The other end of the test wire will wrap around the top portion of the glow plug. Next, we'll ground the glow plug to the battery. Like so. We'll hold it there for 10 seconds and see what the temperature change is like. Be careful, because as you start to do this, the glow plug should get hot. After 10 seconds, we're reading about 245 degrees Fahrenheit, and that good glow plug is glowing red hot, and it doesn't blow the fuse. Behind the driver's side headlight on North American models is the glow plug module. As you can see, this is what actually delivers power to the glow plugs. So Bill is going to remove the center largest connector. That's the harness that actually delivers beefier power to the glow plugs. Our first test here is going to be making sure that each glow plug leading to the van has voltage. You can see the glow plugs have a 6th connector which is not used because we are only a 5-cylinder engine. In this shot, you can make out the numbers above the wire connectors. 5 is the top left, 1 is the top right. Glow plug number 5 has 12 volts across it. Number 3 also has 12 volts. And so does number 1. Number 2 has 12 volts across it also. And finally, so does cylinder 4. That means all 5 of my glow plugs do have proper connection to the glow plug module. And now for the fuse blowing test. For this test, we've wired 12 volts to our voltmeter. We are grounded to the battery terminal. Alright, so we're going to apply 12 volts to glow plug 5. Ideally, we'd hold it here for 10 seconds and verify the fuse doesn't blow. And as you can see, as soon as we applied 12 volts, the fuse popped. We lost voltage. Glow plug blew the fuse as soon as the wires touched. That means that glow plug number 5 has been shorted, so that one will have to be replaced. We're going to try a 15 amp fuse on cylinder 3 instead of a 10 amp just to see. And it still blew the fuse right away, so cylinder 3, same deal, it's shorted. Try glow plug number 1 now. Yep, instantly blown. Number 1 is shorted also. Glow plug number 2. Yep, shorted. Last but not least, cylinder 4. Also shorted. Looks like I need to play the lottery today. That's all 5 bad. Since all 5 glow plugs were bad, it also makes sense to test our glow plug module that we have. Instead of verifying that we have power between the harness and the glow plugs, we're going to verify that we have power coming out of the module. The module has a series of fuses inside of it, Early versions of the glow plug module have fuses that will pop and then will need to be replaced inside the module. Later versions of the module, which I'll be replacing mine with, have a self-resetting breaker inside of it. So we're just going to check for voltage at each one of the pins on the glow plug module. If any of them show 0 volts, that would mean that the fuse for that glow plug has broken. As you can see, pretty much every single fuse on this module is broken. Oh, except for one. Number 6 works, of course, the one that's never used. So all 5 glow plugs and the module is what I'll need to be replacing in this van, unfortunately. Looks like I will be playing the lottery to fund all that. We just happen to have a custom rebuilt glow plug module here. We're going to test this one just to make sure. Right, and look, 5 has voltage, 3 has voltage, 1 has voltage. Yep, so we have definitely proven that the glow plug module present in the van is bad and will have to be replaced. This process actually should work for just about any Sprinter from the years 2002, and I'd imagine all the way up to 2020 this would work for. I ordered my replacement glow plugs and brand new self-resetting module from Joel at Million Mile Sprinter, so of course be sure to order your engine parts from Million Mile Sprinter. Stay tuned, because in the next video I'll be showing you how not to break off glow plugs when you replace them. Until then, start soaking them with PB Blaster.